From craze to condemned, this is one of the hoverboards now deemed unsafe, as retailers now turn their backs on what they thought would be a seasonal top seller. Hoverboards were tipped as a Christmas retail hit, with 1.5 million sales expected.
I got an email off Amazon that said, look, you need to get rid of this and we'll give you a refund of £250. Christmas is coming, everybody wants one, it's the trend for this year. So I feel like the producers are overproducing them, maybe it's caused problems with them.
But now Tesco, John Lewis, Argos and Halfords have suspended sales, with more retailers expected to follow. And this is why they're so worried. Reports of hoverboard fires have been traced to faulty plugs and battery packs. Trading Standards have seized more than 15,000 so far.
What lessons should retailers learn from all this? After all, these dangerous hoverboards should never have been on the shelves in the first place. There should have been safety inspections.
Hoverboards condemned as unsafe could end up on the second-hand market. Trading Standards officers say that risk has increased where customers are being asked to dispose of products themselves. Electrical safety experts are warning that some hoverboards won't be unwrapped until Christmas Day. And only when they're plugged in will we know the scale of the danger.